action.
Today we're going to read Dick and Jane.
Whoa.
So,
Let's see. Dick and Jane.
So
What
the
chapter are we on?
we on 10.
10.
So today we just reading the 10. Trump
Very good.
and
C says jump. U says
pop.
No, you close.
Up.
Up. Very good.
Jump up.
Jump up.
And the next letter is B and D. What?
The Y at the end says E. B.
E?
A.
Why is this E?
It's different at the end. I know. It's weird.
E.
So it
E. E.
B.
B.
A.
A.
B.
No. B. A. D. E.
That's a B.
Oh.
That's a B. That's a
B.
little B.
B. B.
B. A.
B. E. B. E. B. E.
B.
B. And.
Let's look at it. You're guessing. Ready? B.
B.
A.
A.
B.
No.
A little dirt.
B. A. B.
E.
B. B. A. B. E.
Here, how about let's try this.
Da.
They. Listen, watch. Let me show you something. Baby.
Baby. Baby.
Baby, good job.
Jump up, baby.
Very good.
Jump up, baby.
Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Jump up, baby.
Jump.
Jump. P says
Pump. Oh. Jump up. Jump up.
very good, because look at the picture. What's going on?
Jumping.
Yes, look, they're going to get some water. That's a water fountain. And her brother's helping her. So it says, jump up, baby, jump up.
No, I do it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be up.
Very good.
Up.
Very good.
Up. Down.
Up, up, up.
Jump. Up. Jump up.
Very
This
good.
is the same word.
You're right. It is.